levers, so or levers. Tomato, tomato, you guys. So, you gotta watch. I'm just gonna show you your entrance and the volume. Ready and go. Let's do one more time. Let me give you a better cue. I appreciate your attention to the dynamics. I heard all those changes. That was good. But, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. We gotta be careful of that shape. Let's just do the chorus one time and we can move to. We'll see. We'll see. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho. Can I have only the soprano ones? 1, 2, ready, sing. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho. 1, 2, ready, sing. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho. We're not matching our O shape. Hi-ho. And stay there, ready, sing. Hi-ho. Beautiful. Do that every time. Ready, sing. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho. Unto the green holly, most friendship is fading. Not yet, that was the third. Friendship is fading. Most friendship is fading. Careful there, Intonation. One more time. Beautiful. Oh, keep it there. 1, 2, ready, sing. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho. Unto the green holly, most friendship is fading. Most loving and falling, and hi-ho, hi-ho, the holly. Nice. Okay, can I have altos and soprano twos? Let me give you the right notes. 1, 2, ready, and 1. Hi-ho, hi-ho, unto the green holly. Soprano 2. By yourself, soprano 2. 1, 2, ready, and sing. Hi-ho, hi-ho, unto the green holly. Friendship is fading. You're right. Most loving, we are falling. Then hi-ho, hi-ho. Good. Hi-ho, the holly. Yes. Now let's do it one more time. I really want you to focus on that O vowel. We need that for Shenandoah too. Hi-ho, hi-ho, unto the green holly. Right there. 1, 2, ready, and 1. Hi-ho, hi-ho. No. Right. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. 1, 2, ready, and 1. Hi-ho, good. Hi-ho, unto the green holly. Friendship is fading. That's it. Most loving, we're falling. Then hi-ho, 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 the holly. That's better. Just make sure that we're listening and singing with one big voice. Shh, altos. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Same thing. Oh, shape. Excuse me. Shh. Look at me. Randall. Hi-ho. Focus there. 1, 2, ready, and 1. Hi-ho, hi-ho. I'm hearing hoa, hoa. Hi-ho, hi-ho. 1, 2. Shh, behind me. If you're not singing, I need you to please look at this part so that we can really try to get the O shape how we want. Okay? Everyone is still standing. I'll let you sit in a minute, I promise. Please stand up. 1, 2, ready, and 1. Hi-ho, hi-ho, unto the green holly. And 1. Friendship is fading. Most loving, they're falling. Then hi-ho, 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 the holly. That's it. Okay, put it together, please. I'll give you a little bit of help. Soprano 2s. is fading, most loving mere follies, and I hold, I hold the holly. One. This life is most jolly. One, two, that was beautiful. Okay, but go back to the Here we go. From measure 8, last time, please. Put your music down. You don't need it. Have you? Oh, wow, wow, wow. Okay, if you need stop, then you stop, right? Here we go. Beginning, please. Super, super, super. Round O's. Good phrases. Good, smooth phrases. Watch my hands for what to do. Okay? You're going to put your feet down. I know. We're going to sit down a second. 1, 2. Thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy truth is not so keen because thou art not seen. Although thy breath be rude, I hold unto the green holly. Friendship is fading, most loving mere folly. Then I hold the holly. This life is most jolly. Great job. Okay, before we shut the page on this, can you please sit down and do one other thing for me? All right. So we've been talking, So we've been talking a little bit about word painting, communicating a song with tone. Now, I want you to find you can work with the same person you've been working with. I want you to find the most important word in every phrase. Okay? We're going to do the same thing in Shenandoah. The most important thing in every phrase. So, blow, blow thou winter wind. Thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. That's the second phrase. Thy tooth is not so keen because thou art not seen. Number 4, although thy breath